Hello viewers, hope all is good with you. In this video, I will show you how to do YouTube video ad conversion tracking for Google Ads. First, I will examine a upper job post related to this tutorial. Then we will move into the main conversion tracking for YouTube videos. This is one of the job posts in our platform here. The client is asking to set up analytics for YouTube advertising using Google Ads and Google Analytics. Right. So, in this video, I'll show you how many ways you could track conversion for your YouTube video ads. Right. Let's see here. YouTube conversions, video ad conversion can be done in two ways. One is from website conversions. Uh, Another is YouTube engagement goals. Website conversions mean when you are watching a video in YouTube and ad show in the meantime of a video, then you will see a button here, right? Shop now. When you click this button, you will be directed to a landing page. When you reach that landing page and take action on that landing page, this could be tracked as a conversion tracking, but via Google Tag Manager using your activities on the website, right? And what kind of event could be tagged here, like purchase from fields download. There is another conversion that is YouTube engagement goals like channel subscriptions, follow on views, like this kind of thing. For for track this kind of activities, you need to use linking your Google Ads with YouTube channel. Right? So in this video, I'll show you how to do this from your Google Ads dashboard, so that you could know the data about your channel subscription, follow on views, everything. Beside the typical conversion tracking using GTM from your website. Okay. So to do this, this is my Google Ads account, demo account. Here, when you land on this dashboard, first you have to go in Tools, then need to go Data Manager. From Data Manager, you need to connect your YouTube channel to your Google Ads. For connecting your YouTube channel, first you need to click here. That is, this section is under the featured products, right? Here there are many apps or platform you could connect. I already connect my GA4 properties here, as well as Google Business My Profile and Garments, Google Merchant Center, and HubSpot. Right? In this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube. For linking YouTube, first you need to create this icon. Then there are two options: link a YouTube channel to Google Ads or link a YouTube video to Google Ads. Since we will track the subscriber number and video view, that's why I am going to link a YouTube channel. For link it, you need to click here, link channel. Then you need to search your YouTube channel. Like here, my channel name is Here, this is my channel. I am going to link this channel with this Google Ads account. So I select it. Then I do that next. I'm going to next here. Then you need to send a confirmation email address. So here my email address is gmail.com. So when when you put this email address and click that link, a confirmation mail will be sent on your email. From there, you need to accept. Yeah. Okay. I am reviewing the link request. Need to put here for Google Ads, and they will view the below metrics. Put track, view content, see marketing, and engagement. Right? Okay. I am linked here. Accept the linking request. When I reach here in my Gmail Google Ads dashboard and reload, then you see that your YouTube channel is already linked, connected. Like here is all the data. So if I go here, as you see here, you could see all the details of packet products. Like I want to see the data of my GFO, then you need to go here and see view state. As well as when this platform will receive data, and you will find an option here. From that option you could see the stats data of that platform. So this way you could connect your YouTube link with your Google Ads to track the following: channel subscription, follow on, views, data tracking. I hope this video will help you to optimize your YouTube video campaign more. If you find this video helpful, feel free to let know your comments. Also, subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you for your time, attention. Have a good day. Take care. Goodbye.